push.
Yes, man.
You know, she gotta pick her first.
Hungry there.
You're now gonna catch it. That'll go over. There you go. Guys, I can't believe just to put up one TV mount. Just one TV mount now. One TV mount. Look at them. Look at the mix. Like tell me now. Why is the place this messy? Like I don't get it. Like why is the place so messy? And he put it upside down just a while ago, and luckily for Vanessa, detailed eye saw that and he had to flip it around. He's going for the next drill because this drill battery died and it's not strong enough, he said, for the wall. And we actually use concrete screw instead of the screw that they gave us just to secure it, because I don't want the TV jumping, you understand? And I screwed on this already, so yeah, we're ready. Yeah, so I'm gonna change my clothes because this is what I wore on the road and I want to be comfortable, you understand? Okay, so we always want to do this, right? Yeah, so I just wanted to be comfortable, yeah. And today I have church plus I have class, and I am double-minded because I want to go to church and I have to go to class. So I think I'm just gonna go to church class. Yeah, church class. Yeah. So this is just the vlog for today. I understand. I'm gonna see how well I can put it together. Yeah. Well, let's wait until he comes and we see how everything work out and see if it go good. We didn't use the instruction. We didn't use the marker because he said we don't need it. Let's see. But I'm gonna read it again just in case, you understand? Because I ain't about to waste all my time on something that didn't work. Well, the TV is up and I'm just gonna show you what's on there. So I have live TV, Netflix, all of the good stuff that I have on the TV. It actually looked a little bit smaller when it's up. It was much bigger when it's on the floor. I guess because it's at its stand. But I love it, and I love the way how it positioned. The fact that it can tilt. I can pull it out. Now I can turn it to wherever I want. So that's good. Yeah, I'm happy of the work that he did. Guys, this is what I have to be taking DPH because I've been going to church since week, and we've been doing a lot of shouting. So you know, voice kind of gone. However, I'm waiting on London and Twin Bird, that's Twinny. You don't know when we call somebody twin in Jamaica, you know, so they want twin, right? So we're waiting on one of the twin because I want to go and pick some mangoes, and I want you guys to come on that journey with me. So stay tuned for that, okay?
No, like out.
Like if we go on the road because we want to grab a phone. If on the house, they nice though.
So yeah, I have a phone for you.
You have a promise.
Yeah, on a journey to discover the world.
Boy, if you don't.
Oh, who your favor? You know your favor somebody though? Favor somebody.
Favor somebody. Everyone. We have chicken, we have more.
So this is what the Sunbeam Children Home, which is a boy's home. Because all the boys go over there.
Pass the Sunbeam.
Right, so see the sign and so.
Yeah, this is what it's Sunbeam.
Because me show them the sign. And then the car look like a crash over in some park. A crashing? And then they just left it right this one?
Yeah, the whole thing.
So they want Leffy.
And here, we're going to cross the bridge now. Rally P is leading in the pack. Rally P is the brave one, you know. Then we have Vanessa Bling.
Vanessa Bling. We don't want you next year go. Where watch how you go?
We have a car coming. You can't stay there. She's running on the bridge. Cool skill runner. Cool skill runner.
Yes, so welcome. Which part this name?
This is
the Nightingale Grove, Spring Village Road. This is which part they used to have the Guardsman zoo. You can fish and all them something about them.
You see beer animal.
Beer animals. But it closed down now. And we say to go open back. Let's see, we don't know. But it would be a nice place to come if you have it, especially if you live in the St. Catherine area. You understand? And the mango the day.
Why don't put the TV there?
I don't want to watch it.
Listen, we have a Jamaican TV there. You only can see wild animal and wild stuff.
I'm ready. What?
I'm chicken, where you throw yourself?
I don't want chicken, I dog on it.
Are you throw it there? Are you throw it there? Watch a big one, you can't go in the big beak. Look how fast this gentleman is coming through the bridge. And here we go. Boom. And we have Lati leading the pack now. She's running. And here we have a track star. Michelle and Fraser. For your run go cross. No. Watch your tools. Rally P is trying to hurry up, but he can't make it. Rally P is trying to hurry up. Rally P is still on the bridge.
Rally didn't reach it. Take time with the host up here. No, me just have to say. But me ask if you pick up feet and you said. Alright, me go feet.
See next time for up on Evelyn.
They might eat off the mango before they pick the mango. Can't manage.
Wait. Yeah, I can say you want this thing? You catch the ball, you double up.
Oh, that take they want to take turns on the stick. So that no good? No. Come run and turn on the stick.
Why do that?
What?
Wait, oh, let me have that covered. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about that. We have that covered. Don't worry about it. We have it covered. See what it's one.
Now you where you
Yeah, may I catch it? Here we have the rat in the tree. We have Rally P. She can't even catch it. What, that one there I'll catch Rally and come down slow and she still not catch it. You see any more? Which one? Yeah, but we have to go over the tree. See me and there's a two sample out in front, so just come down and come on the roof. Yeah. Rally P, left you alone now, please. Me tell you if you left you alone in here. Yeah, give me a stick and come on the roof for me.
Stop.
Swing cross like a tongueless. We have lots here, Grum, yeah?
Here to the side, like a tongueless. Look at that reaction. What are you doing? Think a tongueless one I say. No, sir. I'm pretending to know what that is.
So let me know what that me say.
No, sir. You see that to me?
You can't swing cross.
Yeah, no. Swing no.
That ain't work nothing, you know. I know you catch a good mango. This is what 90 grove scheme look like. From up high. Yeah, we have some pretty mango. We have a pretty one. Pretty. We have Aki over there, but it's not ready as yet. Eh? Not really. Then we have the bikers over there.
So guys, so today we went, we are hunting mangoes for a church brother, and they're in the tree. And they're in the tree. Yeah, the back of the people in the yard have mango. I'm gonna leave from here so, and then go over my house to pick some mango. But guys, I just want to show you the yard. The yard is so fruitful, right? Aki tree there right there, so you have lime, don't know if a lime or orange tree this. You have one next Aki tree over there, so we don't know what kind of tree that, but that looks like a mango tree. You know. You have one next Aki tree right here, so you have coconut tree, you have soursop tree over there, so you have the two mango trees, so you have Number, East Indian and Julie tree. Like over here, so it's just so fruitful. Over my yard, we only have two trees, mango tree and coconut tree. So so the man just by the house, in the movie yet, but we asked him to pick mango and he said we can't come pick it. So we just over here pick the mango to the people them. And him not done fix up the yard, so they watch the yard. Still I'm gonna fix up the sun and all them something there. You look. But in paint the house already. Let me tell you why them answering. So around here so is part government and part the landowners. So because we're near to the main road, the government don't normally give you all of the land, because just in case they want to extend the road, they're not gonna tell us say, yo, we pick up, you know, move and something. So nobody no put no really permanent fence around there, because that would be a waste of money, just in case. Right here, so this is where right here, so which part them land start. So right here, so right here, so after this are the government land. Yeah, him buy the house and him think say all of the land are for him, but me have to tell him say you don't know wanna say go. So that's why majority of the people them put zinc, because them don't want to waste their money and put a permanent structure. What him say I'm gonna do that anyway. So because they make people there next to the road, that's why them do it. So them other things say I get to or whatever. Watcha! Thief! Thief! Watcha, you just ask the people. No! Wow! Cook that, you know? Expert! Expert them there now.
No expert.
You. What side? Don't get. Fallon. You chew manga for me for.
Oh, yes, yes.
Right, we'll already know.
Hey, one minute.
Come to the kitchen. Come, let me get one. Just show one, show one.
Right pay.
Told you.
Look up. Wait, watch out. Look up. We don't see, wait.
You not see.
Jesus, a miss.
Woo! Kitchens! Woo! Come so far for job.
Alright, watch. Stand up with you. Right, later. Come on. Expert there, I know.
But I want to look so. I'm going to bring you next time.
You want to... I look 60 there?
Yeah.
I look fragile, I look good. Ready?
Oh my God,
she done it!
I did it!
Again, I am the last one still standing.
What could we do without you? God always send a man. A bird in there? You see bird nest? No, wait there, wait there. We have to put on this for that. Wait. 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 One mango go, we try. No, come on. Ready? You ready? Yes. No, you're too deaf, I know. You're too direct, so to a job.
Just take a chance.
Too direct, so a job still.
Yeah, go see.
Oh yeah.
But the devil is a liar. Man, the tricky part now, I don't feel like nigga.
You want clean out in teeth like you have braces.
If the manga
I have Jamaican braces. You ready, P?
Alright, butter. Alright, custard.
P, you ready?
We're there, I'm not there. I'm not see you.
You see me? You see me, huh?
Can't see.
You see me?
In Nancy.
You know
Jab you ain't go down too.
You catch him?
No?
Uno, oh, 1 point for P. Oh my God,
Which one I pick?
Two of them. What a loss.
There you go.
Yes, he finally catch one. Woo!
You're the one with stuff you need.
You want to stop?
Yeah, you just stick and joke it.
You want to get him ready, P?
You're not gonna catch it. That'll go over. There you go.
Cow.
10 points to the one day. 10 points to the one day.
No.
Yes.
Press it now, so.
$200 for one. You ready? $200 one. What's that? You know how much money this? Enough money this now? Or 10 grand this now?
If $1,000 fee, $5,000.
$1,000?
You better know that.
Never sell them then.
See? Beautiful.
I will not done yet. I don't split them the one year name. No?
Wait. Ready. See there? That's 10, 10. 10, 10, 10. My head is ready. Yeah, she's doing it.
Yeah. Push.
Yes, man.
You know, she gotta pick her first.
Hungry there.
She gotta pick her first mango.
Yes, man. Hungry there.
She pass it.
Yeah, that one there. Pick that one there.
Ain't that good?
What? Beautiful.
When we reach us, how we reach our next one then?
You can't tell her that. You
You must know how to do that shit now.
The mistake.
You must know how to design like you can't do
You
that.
can't go no further, but that's all. Give me a stick.
Yo, where do we up the side though? Come down, man.
Give me a stick, Twinny.
Rally, people, I'll catch on. Come catch on.
Oh,
Find the
shit.
stick there.
You gotta drop the mango them like
Me
that.
nah gonna drop. Just give me the stick there. Look, now give me the one there. Look.
Which one?
And then you catch them
Look
one.
one.
Alright. Rally, people, catch you see the one out.
So when me come up here to pick one mango. How me I come back though?
Make sure you pick your rest of them, cause you hear it talk. You hear it talk, boss.
How me I go come back though? I'm free there to come down. Right now we can't see no mango.
Watch out, Twinny, where you gone? Watch out.
Me I say, where you got pick mango?
Man, if you catch your mango and him gone, man.
What she did?
I want you to try to let you pick the mango now. Watch out. Watch out.
Lati, come down.
Sign this here.
Please, come down.
You break the stick.
Man,
Look on the stick.
Come
John
down,
Star.
me get one more that stick and me and see what. I don't even have that. I don't even come down, please. I'll talk to me.
Yeah, come down.
Yeah.
Come down.
Yeah, watch you come down now.
People, she's too strong. Get one whole that stick and she give me back 3/4.
Easier for come down, I think.
No, limit nobody here say that.
Imagine climb a tree to pick one mango.
But you waste the opportunity to pick the next one.
Hungry there.
What does that mean, break his stick?
Put them on. Waste all of the mango them. Them food them never eat them, you know. So them do the sauce swing. This man go and swing now.
There's so much dry mango up there, Twinny.
But no, the mango we eat. Till the time gone.
Yes, so with the over for me, I now I pick mango. Thanks to Twinny and Ralden because we don't know what more to do.
Love men, you know what I mean?
But let's just say I climbed the tree, right? I went far and I picked one mango.
So when you attack them, you see,
If it's sweet,
if you hold them,
come on, hey, Twinny body now and Spider-Man.
and if you got saying get up here, you might have like cow, you know.
And the limb them dry.
Who's them?
The limb them dry.
Kind of your police to do it, so.
You not drop.
How the grace I got it?
Nope, not going to drop.
Hold on, you can't show them.
I have 10,000 bag this now. What? Skillings?
Yes, man. The circus mo ba na yun? Another back. Alright, kill it. Now we are going to this thing, yeah? Come in now, switch up.
You can't cool down now if you know what. I think we have enough.
Grab more than enough because you can't even sell me a blow.
Enough for me, but
You know what you say, man?
a cricket?
Yeah, the best.
good catcher.
You know much sit them and have trophy just to catch you, you know that?
No. Oh yeah, we forgot to say you to the rugby.
They're firing a play and leave the name of call, that's what
Dino, they fine.
I know that, I'm not seeing Sandy, you know?
Sandy, yeah, me thinking they're fine.
Go on for that side. Man, you see that church over and you know. Where is it?
The one that no good. I go to one I catch.
You ready?
Yeah, man.
Ready again?
So make you lick it over so.
Kind of good. Come.
Oh, so you do it. I the mango them in the pocket.
When me want.
Come sail out on the mango them. Una buy none? $100 a one. $100 a one.
Sexy like man.
$100 a one.
Man, 60 Johnny.
Imagine that them picky mango in a me sell them picky mango.
You mad? And you have the bag there, so you can't put a friend. Get locked.
$100 a one.
You grab one side and you grab one side. And you have no one grab.
$100 a one.
Hold to hold.
After drink the first one. Eh? No. And that's still enough. You see the big one here? The big one here? I might want this.
Go for three. You mad? I'm going to put this out.
I know a coconut. Yeah.
This a dry coconut. Yeah, dry coconut.
Jesus for the coconut tree and sorry coconut
I want to
with the
thank me.
right.
Doing the hard work.
So we guys have to touch the papa drink mama. Your video so far drink coconut yo. Thank you.
You're looking at me. Yeah, laugh.
All the people.
You know, say Ray.
Kan na muna ba yung mulisa?
Yes, sir. You say your mouth. Like the ocean. Take boat, people shit. Can't believe it.
Come on, man, work. You think a chicken here jerk?
When I start get my parents and I start real work.
You have ambition. What upon me that is enough?
So wash out the pan them. That's if you do.
Look, you're nasty.
Little girl, go wash out the pan them. Pass the sponge and me wash out it.
I put them down enough.
Yeah, put them in. Here.
Could I give them one more deal load feed? Oh, it's small too.
Yeah, small.
You know that big boy.
They want to come out. Don't hold them out.